Still, plants are starting to use the data, but not to that extent that they could really make big improvements. So now what we are doing is we are looking at collecting and analyzing a large data set. One of the issues within the steel industry is that despite the large amount of data, information is scattered, and also there are a lot of legacy systems, so there are issues with data interoperability, which means it's very difficult to use the data to be able to make decisions. So, one of the research challenges is that we want to use and synthesize data to create meaningful information and actions to derive then insight into improvement of manufacturing operations to make manufacturing processes more sustainable and more efficient. Purely data-driven approaches are failing because of the complexity, so we actually need to go back to the people, to the operator, and trying to embed some of their knowledge within our algorithm. It's about trust, because the impact of AI, it will take time. But if people have taken part to the collaboration, to the development of idea, I think they're going to be more likely to trust the algorithm and then to invest time, money to have a full evaluation and then evaluation of return of investment.